Oh, I hope you know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know.
My name is Dooley. I work for Ruttle Agri in Roscrea, County Limerick, and they started contracting 40 years ago, I'd say. They have a mixture of case tractors, New Holland and Dites, Crone harvester, Crone big game, Komatsu loading shovels, Kevlar ploughs, Kevlar power harrows, Crone power harrows. Their big thing is silage and tillage, and Slurry is another big thing now as well, pipe systems. They have 3 vacuum tanks as well, 3 Connor vacuum tanks, and 1 3.5 tandem axle tank with an overhead boom, and 2 2750s with trail and shoes. Jeez, they're at the Slurry really all their lives really, but the piping only really came into it there, I suppose, I'd say it could be 10 years ago. Piping really is after taking over from the tanks like.
You're running a plate compressor on the front of the pumping tractor, are you?
Yeah, they bought that 3 years ago, two or 3 years ago. They had a trail behind one. It was a Keyser or something. It was grand, it did the job, but as I said, if you had a long pump, you would get caught like. It wouldn't fire it wouldn't blow the pipes clean like. To blow the ball through to clean the pipes, the plate is the only thing like really. It's to say you blow out the pipe and you want to send if you're out a long distance, you want to send the ball through to clean the pipe. If there's any bit of a kink in the pipe, it's just the trail compressor hadn't the output to push the ball through it. You couldn't rely on it like. Well, it's handier to take it around for starters.
Yeah.
And as I said, the toe behind, they already had one. And I just suppose it was just on the new thing on the market at the time. Just seems to be handy in around the yard and everything like. If you run out of Slurry, which we're after doing now, if you run out of Slurry and you keep pulling the pipe, there will be a knot in it. So, whereas you have a good compressor to blow it out, she'll get the knots out of it. As I said, Applied was the name that was there at the time when they bought it, and like, I think they were on about a Mastic one, but just went to Applied the year after they buying this.
I suppose you've worked with Toe Behind and you've worked with the Applied. Is there a big difference in air?
Oh, there isn't the volume of air that's coming. Do you know, at one time, like there's what, 800 metres out there that took what, 3 minutes to blow out. So if that was another one, like you could allow 5 or 10 minutes. You can rely on it, like. And even to put there's no bother blowing out the Slurry, but like to drive the ball the whole way down the line, you can rely on it to get it there, like. And you don't even have to really rev it up. Normally 12 or 1400 revs there to blow out anything, like.
Yeah.
We were talking to the sunset, throwing dreams against the wall. I know none of them are stuck yet, but I bet it on you, honey. Oh, I would risk it all. These days, these nights, I'm changing my mind.